we are going to start with the awards ceremony. So for the first category, we have Best EV FinTech of the Year, and the award goes to Bundela FinCorp. May I have a huge round of applause for the first award. And for that, I would like to call Dr. Ashish Srivastava and Dr. Anupam Gupta from B2B Founder Media and Market Media for the same. Dr. Ashish and Dr. Anupam, please may I have you here on the stage to present the awards. Congratulations to you. Can I have a huge round of applause? And I don't think so. Till this award goes, nobody should be feeling with low energy because this moment is very precious for all of us. And the next category, we have Best Innovative IT Implementation of the Year, and the award goes to Bill Mart. For Best Innovative IT Implementation of the Year, the award goes to Bill Mart. I would request everyone to please be seated and be a little attentive so that you do not miss any of the moment. May I have a huge round of applause for them? Congratulations. And the next category we have FinTech Startup of the Year, and the award goes to PA Securities Private Limited, Sanrachna. The next category we have FinTech Startup of the Year, and the award goes to PA Securities Private Limited, Sanrachna. Ladies and gentlemen, the award for Best Lending Technology goes to All Cloud with 15 successful implementations in the past year across LOS, LMS, and co-lending. All Cloud is transforming the lending landscape with innovation and scalability. Congratulations to the team. Please join us in celebrating their success. A huge round of applause for all of them. And the next category we have Best Customer-Centric IT Implementation of the Year, and the award goes to Tech Partner. Can I have a huge round of applause for them? Congratulations to you too. A huge round of applause for them, please. And the next category we have Best Innovation in Payments, and the award goes to Pine Labs. Come on, everyone, let's give a huge round of applause for the winners today. And the next category, HFC Best CEO of the Year, Vivek Madan. And the winners are Mr. Vivek Madan, Chief Technology and Operations Officer, Hero Housing Finance Limited. A huge round of applause for the winners we have today. Congratulations to them. And the next category, we have Innovative Leader of the Year, Mr. Sumit Kumar Singh, Director, Modern Informatics Private Limited. Give a huge round of applause for the winners. Congratulations to Mr. Sumit. And the next category, that is Lifetime Achievement Award, and the winner is Mr. Divakar Jha, SVP and Head Product and ORG.Excellence, Spandana Spurti Financial Services. Give a huge round of applause. Come on, everyone, let's make this moment more memorable. Congratulations to you. And the next category we have Hall of the Fame Award, Ms. Anamika Chatterjee, Lead Retail Loans Hero FinCorp. Give a huge round of applause for her too. Congratulations to you, ma'am. A huge round of applause for her too. And I should not see any decrease in the pattern of clapping or in the amount of clapping. Congratulations to you, ma'am. And next category, we have Dynamic Tech Leader of the Year. And the award goes to Mr. Ashish Gupta, Head Data Engineering, Hero Housing Finance Limited. Give a huge round of applause and join me in welcoming him. Congratulations to you, Mr. Anish Gupta. And such a graceful moment we have together today. So the next category we have the Trailblazer of the Year. And the award goes to Mr. Ram Avatar Killa, CEO of Perfect Group. Give a huge round of applause and join me in welcoming him. And for the same category, we have NBFC CEO of the Year. Sir, अभी आपको इतनी जल्दी जाना नहीं है. And we have the same winner, Mr. Ram Avtar Killa, CEO of Perfect Group. Give a huge round of applause for him too. Can I have his team on the stage, please? Congratulations to you, sir. And the next category we have Cyber Security Achiever of the Year, Mr. Srinivasan Balraj, VP, Head of Information Security Audit and Compliance, Muthoot FinCorp Limited. Give a huge round of applause for him as well. Moving ahead, the next category we have Best FinTech NBFC of the Year, and the award goes to Fly High Financial Service Limited. Please, can I have you here on the stage and I give a huge round of applause for them. Congratulations to you, sir. And the next category we have Best Upcoming NBFC of the Year. And the award goes to Maximo Capital Services Private Limited. Can I have a huge round of applause for them as well? Congratulations to you all. And the next category we have Fastest Growing NBFC in MSME Financing. The award goes to Moneywise Financial Services Private Limited. Give a huge round of applause for them as well. Congratulations to you all. And the next category, Most Influential NBFC of the Year. The award goes to Muffin Green Finance Limited. May I have a huge round of applause for the winners. Congratulations to you too. क्यों? And the next category, we have Best Tech Savvy NBFC of the Year. And I would like to call Mr. Ravish Chaudhary, Associate Director of Carix, on the stage to present this award. The award goes to Fusion Microfinance. May I have a huge round of applause for the winners. Congratulations to you too, sir. And the next category we have Best Vehicle Financer of the Year. And the award goes to Muffin Green Finance Limited. Once again, can I have a huge round of applause for them? I would not like the compromise in cheering up the winners today. Congratulations to you too, sir. Next category we have Most Influential NBFC of the Year. And the award goes to Muthoot Capital Services Limited. A huge round of applause and join me in welcoming the winners. Congratulations to you, sir. And the next category we have for Best FinTech NBFC of the Year. And the award goes to Pressed Loan. Give a huge round of applause for the winners. And as I already told you that low energy and zero clappings and zero cheer up will not be entertained. So please make this moment more memorable with me. Congratulations to you, sir. And the next category we have the dominant NBFC of the Year. RBA Finance Private Limited wins the award. Please join me in welcoming them. Congratulations to you all. Can I have a huge round of applause for them, please? Congratulations to you all once again. And the next category we have Best Technology Based NBFC, and the award goes to Saturn Credit Care Network Limited. Give a huge round of applause for welcoming them. Last but not the least, the category we have Best Upcoming NBFC of the Year, and the award goes to Shivai Capital Private Limited. Give a huge round of applause for them. Congratulations to you all. And the last category we have Best Technology Based NBFC, and the award goes to Seeds FinCap Private Limited. Give a huge round of applause for this last category. Congratulations to you all. Congratulations to you all. Congratulations to all the winners. कौन नहीं है? FinTech नहीं था.
हाँ, एक टी सिक्योरिटी नहीं था. एक बार इसका दोबारा
Best Innovation and
ये नहीं
Payments.
था, दो ने.
और कौन नहीं था? दो ही तो नहीं थे बस.
तीन.
So we have missed few awards as they were not here. So for the category FinTech Startup of the Year, and the award goes to PS Securities Private Limited, Sanrachna. Please, may we have you here on the stage. And another category, Best Innovation in Payments. The award goes to Pine Labs. Congratulations to all the winners. Now, I would request all the winners to please come forward for a group photographs, and please have your mementos in your hands too. I would request everyone to please come forward with your trophies. NAFCON is where excellence meets recognition. Share your congratulations with today's award winners. And now, the grand finale, the Excellence Award Felicitation Ceremony. Today we celebrate the pioneers, innovators, and change makers of the NBFC and FinTech world. With that, we come to an end of an inspiring day. A massive thank you to all our speakers, panelists, and each one of you for making the 19th NBFCs and FinTech Conclave Awards a grand success. A special thanks to our partners for their unwavering support. Official partners, Carix, conversational messaging partner, Canon, digitalization partner, Lead Squared, CRM and Lanyard partner, All Cloud, associate partner, Kisht, associate partner, Fly High, NBFC partner. Exhibitor, Simple Works, Intellect Design, Penn Technology, Monocept, Tech partner, India Bonds. Supporting partners, Sadhan, FIDC Finance Industry Development Council, and Bharat Center for Financial Inclusion. A massive round of applause for all our partners for their valuable support. Can I have a huge round of applause for all of them? Thank you so much for joining this evening.